They don't even know we're coming. Check this out. Media day by the lake. Pro boxers are out by the lake training for the Andre Ward Media Day. This is Oakland.
Good afternoon, sir. Look, what's happening?
What's up, Bilal?
Just working, man. Ready to kill it. We were trying to kill something on next fight.
Well, I was just telling people they don't understand this Oakland style. This Oakland style, there's a press conference, so boxers just take it to the lake.
Oh yeah, man. We killed two birds with one stone. We get it in at the lake. I said, damn, they doing a press conference in my neighborhood. I live across the street. I'm not gonna stop my ritual.
So for those that don't know, what are you working on right now that you want to tell people?
Hand-eye coordination a little bit. That's it, just a little hand-eye coordination, having that eye. Stand in position. Stand relaxed. Can't flinch too much. May 21st, I should be beating up Brandon Adams.
Okay.
AKA Dino.
And then I heard breaking news yesterday, the rematch is going down.
That's right, June 11th.
Oh yeah. Ramon picked it up when he heard that.
That's funny.